you best lovers. Today we'll be doing locks tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share the video to your family and friends. Let us drop right into the video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be using these two Fauxlocs. I got it two packets. Okay, I got it from a beauty supply store, and I also got this particular expression kinky. So I'll be using the both of them for today's tutorial. All right. So this is me braiding the hair of my client. So I'm doing it into two parts in the sense that I have divided the hair into two. I'll be doing the back part like you're seeing a cornrow all through, and the front part I'm going to be doing a single strand of braids all through as well. Okay, because I wanted to look real, like I never crocheted the back part of this hair, you know. So I wanted it to look like everything on this hair was single strands, but it is not, guys. So it means that the back part I've been able to corrow everything, and the front part I'll be doing a single strand braid. All right, let me leave you guys so you enjoy the video. So guys, I've been able to braid all the back parts. Okay, so I'm doing the front part of this hair, and this time I told you I'll be doing them single strand braids. Okay, I'll be doing everything in the front part is single strand braids. All right, so it looks real, like I braided everything single strands, but rather the back part I actually did a cornrow. Okay, so I wanted it to look real. Even if she has to pack this hair eventually, it won't look as if the back part was being crocheted. Okay, you'll see the outcome of this video, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. Okay, so what I'm doing is braiding everything up through. Okay, let me leave you guys at this point. All right, enjoy yourself, and do not forget to subscribe, like if you've not shared this video to your family and friends. I love you. So guys, I've been able to braid everything, and this is what I meant by single strand braids and the cornrow at the back. Okay, so this is the finished look for the base of this particular hair. Okay, so let us continue. So guys, we've come to the front part of this hair, and I love this particular method, guys. I have my crochet hair, my kinky, and my needle. So I'm taking my crochet needle, passing it into the loop of my crochet hair. I'm taking the same needle, okay, I'm passing it with my hair, taking my hair, then I'll pull it out from the loop of the crochet hair. Now what it means is that I'm not using the crochet hair directly underneath my hair. Now I'm going to pass the needle, and I'm going to take my hair underneath my own hair. So my hair underneath my hair and not the crochet hair. Okay. On my hair underneath my hair, I pull out, and then I'm going to use the kinky this time around to wrap. Okay. Now this method, why I love this method is that it doesn't come with pain, unlike whereby you have to use your crochet hair directly underneath your hair. Oh my god, that's so painful. So I found this very comfortable for my clients, and I've adapted to this one. In fact, I love this particular method. All right. So I'm going to let you guys watch and see if you would love to try this particular method. All right. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe if you've not up to this point. What are you waiting for? Please do not forget to do that. One love. Hey guys, so this is the final look of this hair, and you see how beautiful she looks. All right, will you be trying this in the comment section? Let me know if you're going to be trying this method. Do not forget to like, subscribe. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.